Early the third morning of the feast, as Jesus approached the temple, he was met by a group of the hired agents of the Sanhedrin, who were dragging a woman along with them. As they came near, the spokesman said, "Master, this woman was taken in adultery, in the very act. Now the law of Moses commands that we should stone such a woman. What do you say should be done with her?" Jesus, looking over the crowd, saw her husband standing behind the others. He knew what sort of man he was, and perceived that he was a party to this despicable transaction. Jesus first walked around to near where this degenerate husband stood, and wrote upon the sand a few words which caused him to depart in haste. Then he came back before the woman, and wrote again upon the ground for the benefit of her would-be accusers. And when they read his words, they too went away one by one. And when the master had written in the sand the third time, the woman's companion in evil took his departure, so that when the master raised himself up from this writing, he beheld the woman standing alone before him. Jesus said, "Woman, where are your accusers? Did no man remain to stone you?" And the woman, lifting up her eyes, answered, "No man, Lord." And then said Jesus, "I know about you, neither do I condemn you. Go your way in peace." And this woman, Hildana, forsook her wicked husband and joined herself to the disciples of the kingdom. The Urantia book, paper 162, section 3, paragraph 5.